Look at that. It's crazy.
I want to see people blowing away. That would be awesome.
Where's the cow?
Yeah, where's the kid? Look at that!
Where is the cow? Are you recording that?
I love the sheets of water just like floating to the left.
Yeah.
And the over the canopy.
It's so weird because it's like, it's hot air. You can feel like all the hot air.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's
Wow. Look at that. Crazy. Can't see the Capitol anymore.
Is it? Are you taking video?
Yeah.
I can see it.
Can you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I can't see the Capitol because there's a giant column in my way. There's the Capitol Police one.
It's exciting.
Yeah.
Stuff, right?
I want to see something fly up in the air. Like something really cool.
It's a Bush League tornado.
Can you tell the people from Oakland?
Yeah, no, it's